Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss the classification of molecules. Molecule. Solids, liquids and gases are made of molecules consisting of atoms which are small particles of matter with a diameter of about 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. In a molecule, the atoms are held together by bonds and the number of atoms bonded in a molecule is called its atomicity. Classification of molecules by atomicity. The number of atoms bonded in a molecule are classified as monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. If a molecule has one atom, it is known as monoatomic molecule. Helium, neon, argon, etc. are examples. If a molecule has two atoms held together, it is diatomic molecule. Hydrogen chloride, nitric oxide and oxygen are the examples of this type. If a molecule has three atoms, it is a triatomic molecule, and carbon dioxide, water, carbonyl sulfide are the examples of triatomic. If a molecule has many atoms, it is a polyatomic molecule. Ammonia, phosphoric acid are the examples. Then classification of molecules by the type of atoms. Depending on the type of atoms present in the diatomic molecule, there are two types. One is a homonuclear diatomic molecule, other is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Molecules having the same kind of atoms in them are called homonuclear molecule. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen are the examples. They have zero dipole moment and so they fail to interact with the external radiation. Such molecules are known as non-polar molecules. Therefore, homonuclear diatomic molecule are microwave inactive. Molecules having different kind of atoms are known as heteronuclear molecules. Hydrogen chloride, carbon monoxide are the examples of this type. The charge centers are displaced as little distance apart, so they have permanent dipole moment. Such molecules are known as polar molecules. They can interact with the external radiation. Therefore, heteronuclear diatomic molecules are microwave active. Then, classification of molecules by moment of inertia. A molecule has three principal axes in which each axis is perpendicular to others and all of which pass through the center of mass of the molecule. Here Ia, Ib and Ic are the moment of inertia of the molecule about the principal axis A, B and C respectively. See the figure. This is the rotation of HCl molecule. The three directions of rotation may be taken as about the bond axis, end over end rotation in the plane of the paper, end over end rotation at right angles to the plane. Here for HCl molecule, Ia is equal to 0 and Ib is equal to Ic. There are four types of diatomic molecule depending on their moment of inertia. Linear molecules, symmetric molecules, spherical molecules and asymmetric molecules. For linear molecules, the atoms are arranged in a straight line. Examples: hydrogen chloride, carbonyl sulfide are some examples. See the figure. This is the rotation of HCl molecule. Here Ia is equal to 0, Ib is equal to Ic. Next type is symmetric top molecule. They have two of the moment of inertia equal and the third is different but not 0. They are divided into two categories as prolate symmetric top molecules and oblate symmetric top molecules. Prolate symmetric top molecules are cigar-shaped molecules. They have Ia less than Ib equal to Ic. They have tetrahedral structure. Example, methyl chloride. Figure is the rotation of methyl chloride. Oblate symmetric top molecules are pancake shaped molecules. They have Ia is equal to Ib, which is less than Ic. They have planar symmetric structure. Examples, boron trifluoride, boron trichloride. Figure shows rotation of boron trifluoride. Next type is spherical top molecules. They have Ia equal to Ib equal to Ic. They have all three moment of inertia same. They possess no permanent dipole moment. Examples, methane, carbon tetrachloride. Figure shows rotation of carbon tetrachloride. This is another example of a spherical top molecule. Next type is asymmetric top molecules. They have Ia less than Ib less than Ic. They have all three moment of inertia different. Majority of the substance belongs to this type. Example, water, sulfur dioxide, vinyl chloride, etc. Thank you.